Good evening everyone. So anong tawag dito, sir? Anong tawag? Boulevard? Dumaguete Boulevard. So this is Dumaguete Boulevard. That's wine up there. Mga chain ng mga ano dyan, nightlife. So nandito kami ngayon. Nagpapahangin guys. This is our last night of our travel to Cagayan de Oro City, and we will be going home tomorrow na, so kind of saving the best for last. Nakapunta kami sa napuntahan namin Iligan, Misamis Oriental, El Salvador, Iligan City, Lanao del Norte, Zamboanga, Dumaguete, and then Valencia, Dumaguete, Valencia, yes, Negros, Dapitan pa pala. Tapos yan, places in our beautiful spots there in Negros Occidental. Let's take a walk. Hey guys, cut ko muna.